Welcome guys. If you want to take a photo on the highest resolution in your Huawei P30 Pro after the new EMUI update, you have to go for the camera first, and then when you are here and you will be probably in the photo mode, you have to switch for the Pro mode. And right now, if you want to take the picture in the 40 megapixels, you have to click on this left upper corner and just activate the 40 megapixels. It's called the high resolution mode, and then you will be able to take a photo. And the second method is just to go for the more, and then just select the high resolution. So right now I'm going to show you what is the difference. So there's the photo with the normal mode, with the standard, and just check the resolution right here, and also the size of this picture. And when we go for the second and the third, you will see that the resolution and also the size has changed. And this, of course, the photo in the highest resolution of the P30 Pro. So this is how it looks. And after the update, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.